You gotta say it like that.
I like that.
Yeah. I was like, you gotta keep the
baby.
Oh baby. You gotta keep it in the family. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh baby butter.
What is that?
Oh, comma, baby, exclamation point, butter.
But what is it?
It's the butter that makes you say, oh baby.
I love it. Go, Casey.
Oh baby butter. Say it again.
This really does just slip right out of the shell. Mm. Oh, baby. Mm. Mm. Oh, baby. That's it.
Look at that thing. Look, it just slipped right out. Look.
It did. The whole thing?
Okay.
No.
Someone's waiting.
That's delicious.
I waited 4 hours for
Mm.
truck run.
All right, how do I open this safely and without destroying?
This is my favorite.
I can show you.
This is my favorite.
I can show you.
You can.
Oh, I'll let you guys make the thing.
Oh, I didn't see that. In my defense.
Wait. Do it on the granite. Do it on the granite. Do it on the granite.
Do it on the glass.
Do it on the granite.
On the glass.
Right, it's on the cutting board.
This is glass, and I really think that you're making a mistake.
It's a cutting
so
board.
hard.
Completely unprofessional. At the end of the day, like you sitting here,
Like, I don't have any solid information about.
So to you, what is Uncle Sauce to you?
The only sauce to eat with crabs.
The only sauce to eat with crabs. Now when you say crab, you mean like just blue crabs or snow crabs or?
I have determined I do like snow crabs with Uncle Sauce, even though I was hating on it, because I like my butter. So I think I like my lobster with regular butter, but snow crabs have been promoted to Uncle Sauce.
Mm.
Lobster for me is definitely my favorite.
Maybe you want
And I think I love having the
Now you want
broccoli.
to feed it to you?
So asparagus might be next. I'd like to see some asparagus.
I like seafood.
Any kind of seafood?
Jaden, can I feed you some?
Seafood. There you go.
I'll be hating.
So as you can see, my family loves seafood. They just destroyed 3 whole lobsters in pretty much 3 whole minutes. The sauces, they're slamming them. Anything to say?
There's nothing to say.
I can't open this.
Oh dear.
No. Oh, baby.